Hi, and welcome to the ultimate upgrade of Bizylze Pro. This is Bizylze Pro Plus, and this is the ultimate upgrade for everyday people, aspiring entrepreneurs, and established entrepreneurs who want to go from idea to empire. Now, are you ready to research as much as your ambition demands? Do you want a solution of Bizylze that has no restrictions whatsoever? Whether you use Bizylze to find new ideas, to validate an existing idea, or to validate a new idea in the arena of business, or to analyze competitors, the Bizylze Pro Plus upgrade gives you the freedom to explore without limits. Bizylze Pro Plus gives you the freedom, the tools, and the mindset to scale your business without limits, to scale your business idea without limits. So, what is included in this big upgrade? What exactly do you get with Bizylze Pro Plus? So, you get some amazing perks and some amazing benefits. The first is unlimited searches. So there is no more an 100 only search limit. With Bizylze Pro, you only get access to 100 searches monthly. But with Bizylze Pro Plus, you can search unlimited. You can explore markets, you can validate your ideas, you can find new ideas in the area of business, you can analyze your competitors, all without any restrictions whatsoever. You have the freedom to research your chosen business idea until you find the perfect opportunity for you. Number two, you get everything in Bizylze Pro. So all the features you already like and love in Bizylze Pro, you get all of that and more in Bizylze Pro Plus. So you get access to the Discover ideas, features, all the tools under Discover ideas, all the tools under market analysis, all the tools under launch, and you also have the ability to export data for deeper analysis. You get access to the feedback hub. You get early access to the coming soon features as well. Aside from this as well, you get access to the exclusive mindset tools in Bizylze Pro Plus. So in the Bizylze Pro, you don't get access to the mindset tools, but in the Bizylze Pro Plus, you get access to the mindset tools, all the mindset tools from the Biz Journal, which allows you to reflect, track your insights, and document your journey sequentially. And you also get access to the Founder Fuel, which offers daily inspiration, quotes, and success stories from established business owners. So you can take inspiration from their lessons and from their story. Aside from this as well, you get access to power user features. You don't get access to this in the Bizylze Pro, but you do get access to this in the Bizylze Pro Plus. And this will enable you to put in your own API keys. So you can add your own API keys to make the software more tailored towards your individual needs. You can add OpenAI, Claude AI, Perplexity AI API keys if you have them. You also get access to priority support, so you get answers faster to any of your issues or any of your inquiries when using Bizylze Pro Plus. Aside from this as well, you also get lifetime access to Bizylze Pro Plus. Is a one-time purchase, is lifetime access, there's no monthly fees, there's no annual renewals, you pay once and you own the software forever. And I just want to give you a much clearer breakdown of the comparison between Bizylze Pro and Bizylze Pro Plus. So as you can see, with Pro, you only have 100 searches for every single feature a month. So you only get 100 searches for every feature monthly. okay? But with the Pro Plus, you get unlimited in every single feature, okay? So I hope you feel more empowered now to get the Bizylze Pro Plus today. And it is just $47. It's unlimited, it's powerful, there's lifetime access, and it's built for entrepreneurs who want to go from idea to empire.